You can lose all valuable things. You may be stolen in a flick of finger. Which is valuable for you can be a project, a document, family photos or memories. Theft can be virtual by hacking or a viral attack. There is also the risk of distraction or misuse, loss, theft or accident. So you can lose your personal or business data. Can you recover what is lost? It's possible, only when you take necessary precautions in advance and protect your files. Keep a copy of your files in a memory stick, a DVD, an external hard drive, or a memory card. You can also keep them in your mobile device. Update regularly your antivirus softwares. You can also save your data on the network or online. Related to well-known says, prevention is better than cure. Protect your data by backup so that you can restore them safely.